What's up? Danny Hayasaki with Call 1-8, helping people do their business better. And today we have another transition. You know, just so you guys know, I'm half Japanese, half Mexican. So I have a challenge sometimes saying certain words like physician, transition. I can't say them. I don't know why. But anyway, today we have another video showcasing what replaces the Savi 400 series. So the Poly Savi 400 series were deemed end of life, and so the products that replaced them were the Savi 8200 series, which is extremely confusing for people because the Savi 8200 series were already out, and those models, the original models that came out, provided triple connectivity. These models that we're talking about today are the Savi 8200 UC versions that provide PC only connectivity. So the Savi 410 was the monaural version. It was like a headband style monaural version, are being replaced by the Savi 8210 UC. So the MSRP of the 410 was $304.95. The MSRP of the Savi 8210 UC is $319.95. The Savi 420, which was a dual layer version, retailed for $324.95. The replacement is the Savi 8220 UC with the retail or MSRP of $339.95. The Savi 430 was replaced, this is where it's a little bit different, by the Voyager 5200 UC, so they don't currently have a decked version. So anyway, Savi 430 replaced by the Voyager 5200 UC with an MSRP of $219.95. Savi 440, that's an extremely popular headset. We sold a ton of them. Lots of customers have them. One key difference that I want to point out, it's huge. Like literally the dongle on the 400 series was huge. It was called the D100, or I'm going to show you. This is the D200, and as you can see, it's extremely different from the massive D100. And then of course there's the Savi 445, which has a little battery, but the Savi 8245 UC comes in at an MSRP of $359.95. But anyway, let's talk about connectivity. So these new Savi 8200 series connect to a PC only, a PC or Mac, right? And they're going to use this little dongle. So these are compatible across all major communications platforms to include Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Cisco, and more. Battery life, let's take a look at battery life. So the battery life on the Savi 8210 and the 8220 is a whopping up to 13 hours. They do have a rechargeable and a replaceable battery, which is really nice. Their wireless range, again, line of sight up to 590 feet or 180 meters. When it comes to wireless, whether it's decked or Bluetooth, walls, building material, doors, angles, all these things, other wireless devices, all these things impact your wireless range. Because it says up to 590 feet, it's probably not gonna happen. But anyway, the other feature that the 8220 only is active noise canceling speakers. So that's why you see a difference in the price, right? There's a little bit higher. On the Voyager 5200 UC, it's got WindSmart technology and P2I coated for moisture protection. Now, for a long time I used the Poly Voyager 5200. It's a fantastic headset. It's fantastic at blocking out that wind noise. But anyway, if you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.